So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are absolutely fine and sound, and in this video I am going to show you how to access all the skill badges for completing in the arcade or arcade facilitator program complete guide. So before we start, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. Coming over here directly, you have to just come to skills.google. I'll share the link in the description. From there, make sure you are signed into your account. From there, you have to click on catalog. Now, once you click on catalog, here you'll see credentials option. From here, you have to just select the skill badge. You don't have to complete this completion badge. Only skill badges need to be completed. You can see around 93 skill badges we are having. And in the arcade facilitator program, if you just see in the point system, okay, if you come over here, you can see maximum number of skill badges for ultimate milestone is 66. So out of 93, you can complete any 66 skill badges. There is no restriction that you have to complete from this particular syllabus. A lot of you are worried about it, that here also they have mentioned the skill badges. Do we need to complete only these skill badges, or can we complete any skill badge from the catalog? Okay, so the answer is yes, you can complete any 66 skill badges. Okay, because some of them are facing issue. So from here, you can just select it. Now, if you want a beginner friendly, means easiest skill badge, from here you can just select the level also. You can see introductory skill badges are there, beginner friendly, advanced and intermediate levels are also there. So you can just switch the levels from here also. Duration also you can switch. So these are the things you want to know. Okay, you can see here we are getting around 53 skill badges which are completely beginner friendly. So you can complete it easily. You can just check the channel also. We have provided some of the guides for completing the skill badges too. Second most important thing, if you want to complete the moderate level skill badges, here also you'll find some more skill badges which are moderate level, which you can complete easily. In short, we are having 93 skill badges, out of which you have to complete only 66. What will happen if I complete more than 66? You'll be getting points based on 2 skill badge equal to 1 point. Okay, so there is no restriction. You can complete all the skill badges also. But for ultimate milestone, you need only 66 skill badge. So this is the thing I wanted to share. If you still have any doubts, you can let me in the comment section. Subscribe the channel. Thank you. Goodbye.